In this video, I will show you how to buy and sell on Dexscreener. So to get started, go ahead and open Dexscreener on your device. You can download the app on your Android device or your iOS device. You can also access the website on your browser. So simply open Dexscreener and sign in into your account. So make sure that you have an account. Over into the moonshot section, and here you'll be able to trade, buy, and sell tokens on Dexscreener. So in here, you just need to select the specific token that you want to buy or sell. Now in here, you'll have this trade button below the alerts buttons. Click on that trade button to be able to buy or sell on Dexscreener. So as you can see in here, you can actually trade using your browser or your preferred wallet connected to your account. So you can simply select browser and that will redirect you into this section. As you can see in here, you can find the buy and sell option in this area. You'll need to enter the solana amount that you have to be able to buy this token. Now on the sell section, you can sell the available token amount that you have for this specific token, and we'll be able to find how much it will be in exchange. And that is how you can simply buy and sell on Dexscreener.